The St. Tammany Parish Sheriff's Office is reporting an unusual bust on I-12. Deputies say they found 97 one-pint bottles of a prescription cough syrup during a traffic stop. The driver, 25-year-old Colin Walthall of Houston, was arrested and booked with possession with intent to distribute. Deputies say Walthall was also wanted in Tangipahoa Parish for failure to appear in court on prior drug charges.